Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to prepare moi moi. Trust me, it's very easy. So for my ingredients, I have white beans, already boiled fish, I have onions, ginger, garlic, I have bell pepper and chili pepper, and I also have crayfish. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare the meal now. So what I'm going to be doing now is to add water to my beans, leave it to soak for 20 minutes. The reason I'm doing this is to remove every bit of chaff from my beans. It is really important. Some people like it like that, but I don't. I love to remove every bit of chaff from my beans. So my beans is clean. I got all the chaff out. It takes time though, but it's a really important step. I'll just remove my water from the beans so I can add my ingredients now and blend my beans. Very easy step, guys. Very easy. Very easy. So I'm adding my crayfish now. Crayfish is also optional, but everybody with their preference, you know. And I'm going to be adding my onions. I know some people are like, oh, I don't like onions. I don't like onions. It's a personal choice. So while I prefer just adding onions, you can add very little. You can add as many as you want. I just love the flavor it adds to the moi moi. Yes. So I'll be adding my ginger and my garlic. So I have my ginger in it. Ginger is also optional. I'm a person that really loves spicy food, and I also love my food to have like different flavors. So I just can't escape adding as many things as possible, but not adding flavors that would distract the main taste of the food. So I'm adding my bell pepper and my chili pepper. Very necessary ingredient. Even if you forget everything, even if you don't want to add anything, you must add this. Your pepper is very important. It is importanta. Okay. So I'm going to blend now. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to debone my fish. Remove every bone as much as possible, because deboning it, you really don't need any form of bone in your fish. You can't come and choke because of moi moi. Now, since I've gotten all my bone out, I'm just going to mash up my fish with my hand. Just simple mashing. Mash. Now that that is done, I'm just going to set it aside and bring up my moi to start adding my ingredients. You can see how smooth it is. Very smooth. So I'm going to be adding my soya oil. Then I'm going to be adding my mashed up fish. It's important to stir thoroughly so that all your ingredients will mix round. To chop, it must go round. Now that that is done, I'm just going to be adding a tablespoon of salt, then mix, then dish up my moi-moi into my moi-moi plate. It's going to be 3 spoons each for each plate. So I got 12 plates from this recipe. 12 plates of moi-moi, and I think I got extra. Yes, I got extra. Transferring it gently now into my pot. I don't want it to spill, so it's very important to lay it down gently. Then I'm going to cover my pot and I'm going to leave it to steam for 20 minutes. So checking back to see if it's okay. You can see how fine it is. My moi-moi is ready. Yay! Doesn't this just look so yummy? Trust me, you will enjoy this recipe. So if you're going to try it, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for your support and love. Bye. Mwah.